Welcome to our channel.
In today's video, we will explore a vital aspect of Islamic teachings, the prohibition of sex in Islam. We will delve into the Quran and Sahih Hadith to understand why unity is so crucial for the Muslim Ummah. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Islam is fundamentally a religion of unity. Allah commands us in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse 103, "And hold fast to the rope of Allah altogether and be not divided." This verse emphasizes that unity is not merely encouraged, but is a divine command. The consequences of division. Division within the Ummah leads to confusion and discord. Allah warns us in Surah Al-Anfal, chapter 8, verse 46, "And obey Allah and His Messenger and do not dispute with one another lest you lose courage." This verse serves as a reminder that those who create sects face severe consequences. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was sent as a mercy to mankind, guiding us towards unity. He emphasized that differing leads to disunity, stating, "Do not differ, or else your hearts will differ." This highlights how division can weaken our faith and community. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes brotherhood among believers. In Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 10, it states, "The believers are but brethren." This verse reminds us that our bond as Muslims transcends all differences, urging us to maintain peace and solidarity. Moreover, Allah warns against division in Surah Al-An'am, chapter 6, verse 159. "Indeed, those who have divided their religion and become sects, you, O Prophet, are not associated with them in anything. Their affair is left only to Allah, and He will inform them about what they used to do." One significant cause of division is following personal desires over divine guidance. Allah warns us against this in Surah Al-Rum, chapter 30, verses 31 to 32. "And do not be like those who divided their religion and became sects, each party rejoicing in what they have. Disputes weaken our resolve and distract us from our ultimate purpose, serving Allah." As Muslims, it is our responsibility to strive for unity. We must focus on what unites us rather than what divides us. By adhering to the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah, we can foster a community built on mutual respect and understanding. Let us work together towards a united Ummah, reflecting the true spirit of Islam. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on Islamic teaching. Together, let's promote unity